Yo, what's going on, guys? Alright, we are down here in Mexico, and right now I just pulled up to Montenegro Skatepark, which is, I believe, the biggest skate park in Mexico. I've seen pictures and it looks pretty massive, so don't quote me on that, but yeah, the place looks incredible, so excited to check it out.
¿Cómo?
Chad, C-H-A-D. Caruso.
Ok, es que no tuve Wi-Fi.
Oh, you have Wi-Fi?
¿Verdad?
Yeah, see. Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Yeah.
How are you?
Sale.
Yeah, Nueva York. Yeah, how are you from?
Aquí.
Yeah?
Mexico.
Nice. You skate?
No.
No, not yet.
So, this is Montenegro Skatepark.
It's incredible.
Huge, enormous.
Huge. How's it going, man?
Yeah, here's Poncho.
Nice to meet you, Pancho.
Just
How are you?
Caruso.
What's going on?
We have one circuit here, go around of these three balls. This is the middle of the ball, like a crow. Two little balls, but very fast of them. And over there with a big bird.
Yeah, that one looks tight.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
A little thing to fix it, but it's wonderful.
When was this park built?
It is like, se construyó que 2000 hace...
Tiene 3 años.
3 años?
Yeah.
3 years, yeah.
Here?
Yeah, 2017, 2016.
Does it get crowded here at all?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
But if they're not bikers, okay. It's because this is so big, so big. It's four sizes.
Yeah.
But the problem is if nobody can, or no one can be two people skating here at the same time because you will
Right.
crash it.
Fun fact, I actually got hit by a BMXer, tore my ligament in my knee.
Ah.
Yeah, so I'm extra careful. I'm always looking around. The snake run.
Ah, sí.
Not used to the dry air.
Yeah.
It's wet, not as dry in New York.
Yes. And now we are in a different altitude.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We are in 1,500 meters above sea level.
¿Cómo en Instagram?
Instagram, Chad Caruso.
Pero no lo hallo.
Chad con D al final. C-H-A-D.
¿Cómo se llama su canal?
El de él, Chad Caruso.
¿Caruso?
Sí.
Ok, perfecto. Ahí está.
Gracias.
Yeah. Bye.
I skate with him every weekend.
I like those layback 5-0s.
Yeah, was amazing. Me gustan tus laybacks.
Layback? How long have you been skating? How long?
¿Hace cuánto tiempo patinas?
46 years old.
No.
No, ¿hace cuánto
Like
tiempo
46 years old?
Yes. I skating in was young.
Okay. Oh, like Diaz?
12, 18.
Okay.
¿Cómo se dice después?
I came
No,
back.
So you skated for like 6 years, then you quit,
Sí.
and then you came back.
Yeah.
How
I
old
came
were
back,
you? How old?
8 years ago.
Oh, really? Nice.
Okay.
You still got it.
38 years ago, when he was 38 years old, he
Yeah.
came back.
At 38, he came back.
38, yeah.
Wow. That's incredible. I love that. You're ripping, man. I love it.
Tomorrow you will meet all skaters from Guadalajara.
Bring him on.
Some of them have 60 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
I gotta see it. I hope I can still do it when I'm that old. Yeah.
I wanted to say that, but
I really need some bigger wheels. I pump so hard to get around. Maybe we'll go over to that little street section.
okay.
Looks like everything's kind of built towards BMX riding. Do you think it's like more
Yeah.
built towards BMX?
Yes, there are little. It's because the constructors were rollers,
BMX riders?
and they think to construct and design this skate park
Yeah.
thinking rollers, not thinking in BMX, skate, and rollers at the
Yeah.
same time.
It makes sense. You can see a lot of it looks more BMX oriented. Are there more BMX riders and skateboarders down here?
No,
No?
more skaters than
Really?
BMX. Yes, there are some places that are more BMX, but in this park it's skaters.
I loosen the legs a little bit. Don't tempt me with some tacos.
If you close this section,
Yeah.
you
Yeah, right in from there, right? It looks hard though. Can you do it?
No.
It's scary. But you're goofy.
Yes.
Alright. I'll try it.
Yeah, do it.
Woo! Woo! Alright, but here's the deal. If I get kickflip 50-50, 5 tries, you're buying tacos tonight.
Yeah.
Deal? Alright.
Ya me embarcó. Me dijo, si me sale tú pagas los tacos. Le dije, sí.
got you.
Yeah.
That's cool. I'm happy with that. I'll take that.
Right.
Thank you. Alright guys, that's it for today. I think I'm going to end this session on a high note and yeah, go claim my tacos.
Drop by the mouth.